For this activity, we created this artwork inspired by minimalism. Minimalism is all about simple forms, clean lines, and limited color palette. Even with just few elements, it can express deep meaning. This piece represents love and emotion, showing how two people are connected despite their differences. The overlapping colors symbolize their bond and how they blend into each other. Now, let's take you through the process of how we remade this artwork.
We began by sketching the basic shapes to maintain a clean and balanced design. Then we carefully chose colors that would bring out a warm and emotional feel. Finally, we refined the details to stay true to the minimalist style while adding our own creative touch. Next, we'd like to share our reflections on this project.
So, for the reflection segment, for the question number one, which art movement inspired the artwork? The work. We were inspired by minimalism, which used simple elements to express deep emotions.
Next, what emotion or message were you aiming to evoke? Our goal was to show love and deep emotion, how two individuals connect and become part of each other.
Now, for the question number three, how did the chosen movement style influences your piece? So for the art, minimalism help us focus on the essential part, the clean shape, simple color, and balance without any extra details.
And how did this process help you understand the art movement? We discovered that even a few elements can tell a powerful story. This process made us appreciate that art doesn't need to be complex to convey strong emotions.
For the next question, what challenges did you face and how did you overcome them? One challenge was ensuring our color and shape were balanced and meaningful. We solved this by experimenting with different layout and adjusting color until we captured the right feeling of love and connection.
Then, what are your key takeaways about using art to express emotions or ideas? We learned that art is a powerful way to communicate feelings. Even simple designs can evoke deep emotions and share meaningful ideas.